Are we live? Are we? Hey, looks like we are live. Um, yeah. So I am kind of using this newer YouTube UI, so I don't know whether it's working well or not. So, hmm. Let's see. Not see anyone in the watching list right now. Oops. Alright, so the thing is, people wanted me to do a 22 or 46 floppy install of uh, Office 97, and we are going to do that, and we are going to do it on the 486 machine, or the FPGA based 486 machine. I don't have an actual 486 machine right now, but you kind of need to tell me about the audio. Not sure how much is coming through. I'm sure most of it is. Anyways, let's whoops. Let's see if I can boost the audio a bit, because I'm sure it's kind of low on here at least. Low cut off, and now it should be much better, but a bit noisy. But I think we can live with that. As soon as the fan stops making weird noises. Okay, so let's kind of just go ahead and boot um, into our Windows 95 device. So I think this should be it. And reset apply hard drive, and we should be booting into Windows 95. So I now have a two camera setup. One is a full 1080p, this one, and the other one that's facing me is a bit low res, but since I'm keeping my own window pretty small, it shouldn't really matter. The other thing is, I'll just try and kind of expand the view a little bit more so that people can see a bit better with the Windows 95 4:3 resolution. Let it boot there for a minute, and then we'll kind of resize a bit. Yeah, exposure is kind of weird on the camera. I'm just waiting the whole thing to load, and if the exposure stays like that, which is pretty bad, I'll probably switch. Yeah, I think I need to switch to a darker background or something. I don't know why it's that bad. Let me turn off the lights for a second and see how that goes. The lights don't seem to make a whole lot of difference, so I think I'll go ahead with a darker background, so at least it does kind of show everything properly. Hmm. Let's see. Wallpaper, none. Apply, and hopefully this kind of fixes all of that, or it doesn't. I don't know why it is exposing so much. Is it because of the other monitor that's in the way? In hindsight, I should have probably stuck with the my phone, which actually did a pretty good job of it rather than this camera. Why do you overexpose so much? I think I will switch to my phone if it doesn't stop overexposing this much. I'll just go ahead and this. Does that look same? That same? Yep, the same. All three on and it's still the same. So I don't know what's wrong. Hmm. Alright, I think I'll have to kill the stream, go back, use the different camera. I don't think this is really meant for meant for this. Whoops. Nope. Bye. I'm stopping it. I honestly didn't think it will do this weird thing right here.